get it up ice, and now a 2-on-1. Nieto shoots, scores! Matt Nieto picks the corner, and it's 3-2. Away in the defensive zone, Erik Karlsson weathers the storm under pressure. They finally flip it out, 2-on-1. Nieto gets it and goes over the shoulder, the blocker of Dansk. Really nice shot, gets his head up right there, knows at that point.
Fun to watch them.
Donskoy, what a move! And what a goal!
Wow, what a goal. No chance there for Anderson. He's in full.
Back in his own zone for Minnesota. Drop pass intended for Karlsson. Comes loose. Nieto scores.
Found out was a concussion that kept him out since February 7th. Here's Meier going back to work. Puts the move on, and they score!
Baker, this is why. McNabb, a big, strong defenseman's trying to lean on him, and he's not going to budge Timo Meier. He's able to kind of come off that body check, and then inside position, Roy loses his man there, in on Nieto. He just fillets the stick, goes up and...
One end gets a little lost on this one. What a touch pass between his legs to find Nieto's picking. It's like he had eyes in the back of his head, as you mentioned, Anthony. I think Talbot screened on that one a little bit. Nieto just throws it towards the net, right on the ice. Has eyes, hits that far post and goes in.
I look at it, Jamie, now as a professional responsibility. A shot by Nieto, and he scores! The Sharks tie it up on a bomb by Matt Nieto. Here's a shorthanded chance. Wingles. Nieto scores!
And they just clear the puck. Everybody just takes off to the bench. Wingles is like, I'll go get the puck. Nieto goes far post. Boom, short-handed goal. Great job, great heads-up play. And look at the way Wingles freezes Bernier. And tough win. Watch Nieto slide up into the high slot and just one-time it. And a great job by Wingles coming around and creating the screen. Look at that, there's a great pass.
Steal for Wingles, Tommy Wingles down the right side. Klingberg angles across. Here's Nieto, scores!
Perfect pass under the stick of Klingberg, and Nieto just goes short side. Niemi's still moving, and
Mosh, a massive overpass by Washington in that situation.
Boy, I thought that shot was coming from the slot, Pete. It did not. Turnover, out in front, score! Matt Nieto!
So quickly here, right into puck left pad by Grubauer. And then at the other end, Samsonov, I mean, he just mishandles that. And the Avalanche get a gigantic goal. Nieto gets his first, Schultz gets an assist.
Also at the center is Landeskog. He got stick check, but followed up with the loose puck. It's a shot away. Honka blocked it. Another chance. There's an opportunity. It'll count. And it's a 1-1 game. Matt Nieto following up on that chance by Landeskog. By Soderberg. A little battle behind the net. Centered a chance. And Bishop saved it and bounced it. It'll count. That's a goal. And the Avalanche lead 2-1. And Matt Nieto, what a night he's having. That's his second goal. Comes free for Como. Out ahead. Nieto's got a chance for the hat trick if he can put it in the empty net. He cuts around. And he's got it. Matt Nieto, what a great move. And he gets the hat trick. Matt Nieto. What a night. Oh, to cap off the hat trick. And he had to make a pretty good move to do it, Peter.
That was fantastic. Anderson out of the pile. Nieto, after that loose puck, chops at it, can't get it out, and now he does. And maybe a breakaway chance. Here comes Nieto in, shoots, and he scores! Matt Nieto beat Mike Smith, and he finally does, and the Avs have broken the drought. It's now a 1-0 lead.
If he's got his least, tug at him a little bit. Now Nieto was wide open, and he cracked at him. Nieto
again with the puck in the middle circle. Stripped away, carried in by Nieto for the trailer. Johnson, shot, score! The other night, and he's done it here in Florida to make it 4-2 Avs.
Well, the Avalanche do a terrific job in the neutral zone to turn that puck over.
Point, shot, blocked in front. Now a chance for that empty net. And here's a great opportunity, and it's going to get scored by the Avalanche. An empty net goal from Matt Nieto.
And does Como make a nice play? Zadorov gets it through. Puck comes across. Avalanche work hard, get it down low. But watch Como. 1, 2, 3, and then just fire it across.
That time on Johnson. Behind the net. Letty's lost it. Center. Johnson.
Many opportunities, they just would not stop buzzing like this line can do. They've been mainly known as the shutdown line, but there's Nieto right in front. What a pass by Soderberg. Como's been playing with an edge all night long. That is just wanting it more than the other team.
Goes through center ice. Picks up the puck in the near side circle behind the net. Joe spins away. Snow goes to him. Joe's in front. Score!
This thing was going to be over. Every single shift now, pretty much since the start of this period, just a little over 5 minutes ago, has been hard, strong, everyone moving forward. Tyson Jones, in my mind, he had the hat trick, but this is as good a game as he's had all.
Great for Colin Wilson. Mike, it has been a slow start. It was a struggling start on a new club. He got hurt, couldn't quite find his rhythm, but on this road trip, you know, I look at it last night. They were down to 10 forwards.
Bobrovsky's on his way to the empty net. There for the F. Bobrovsky backpedaling to get in. Shot.
Bobrovsky, right now Bobrovsky's in trouble. He knows it. He's trying to get back as fast as he could. That was fantastic. Watch him.
Watch him skate backwards here.
He's motoring. And Nieto's just going, oh, please, just get it over, Ed. Well, for the Colorado Avalanche, here's the guy, Tyson Barrie, that to me will make the difference the rest of this season. Holy cow.
Went in down the wing by Como. Shot to the net, tip,
Played a solid season last year for the Avalanche. Got out to a little bit of a rock.
hard into the corner by Johnson. The puck comes out to center, and Nieto flies in. He's got a breakaway. Nieto shoots and scores!
Back-to-back 4-on-4 goals last night within 18 seconds. Now, you can't be upset with a Buffalo player there. He was trying to keep the puck in the zone. Just missed, but Nieto, Mikey, just takes off. Like, this is his 10th goal of the season. 2 times for San Jose. He scored 10 goals in a year. Watch what they do. Como gets the puck. He knows where Nieto is. Now watch, the play is made right there by Nieto, but Soderberg in front, danced from in front across and was open. If Soderberg stands in front and doesn't move, Nieto's got nowhere to pass. That was a little aerial up and over. His 100th NHL point, a 4-goal outburst for the Avalanche here in this second period. In a game, Mike, you were talking about the Avalanche were down 2-0 last game in Calgary. Now they're down 2-0 again. And that penalty that Calgary took seemed to, with the power play goal, seemed to really help turn the entire complexion of this game.
Puck a little bit coming down the sidewall. Here he is breaking up. You know he's hungry for the hat trick. Why wouldn't you be? But here he comes in, loses it. Still is able to get it over to Como. And look at that pass. It's a thing of beauty.
Mike, that's
McKinnon.
Guys, here's the play right here. They weren't worried about a goal. Nice goal, makes it 7-1. They were furious. The McKinnon line coming up with a play. Well, it's Nieto who's had goals in each of the last couple of games. This is number 13. It bounces down. Way through. But this line, which has been very good for the Avalanche in tonight's game. Yes, he didn't do a lot. But you can sort of sense the frustration, but what a nice job by Erik Johnson on that play. The pass came across, and that easily could have been deflected at the blue line. He didn't let it happen, and the Avalanche just worked hard. And Nieto was able to poke that one home.
Playoff time. Como looking down the ice. Got blocked. Soderberg picked it up. He can shoot up the empty net. Gives it to Nieto. He deposits it.
Outlet pass for the Flyers, knocked down by Matt Nieto. He gets around Haig, gets to the corner, puts on the brakes, looking for a pass. It's Matt Nieto now for Matt Calvert. Calvert working, still has the puck behind the net. Out in the slot, Nieto shoots and he scores! Stick handling down deep, turns into the forward, shot, score! Matt Nieto with a perfect feed from Nathan McKinnon.
The far side.
What a pass. Way to go, Matt. Got to feel good for him, Pete.
Oh, but he's had a great game.
But it goes. Letang, shot, blocked by Comfort. He's been out there for quite a while, still has some legs. As Matt Nieto brings it ahead, has Comfort in the slot. Matt shoots, score! The Long Beach native!
And the puck comes in. This line is so fast. And they have been together for a while now. They know where everyone is going. Nieto does a terrific job. Hit assist last night on Calvert's goal. What a nice play.
There's Nieto. Carries it in. Calvert got onside. Nieto trying to get rid of Pouliot. Up the boards. Zadorov a bomb. And the puck is sent ahead for Calvert. Tripped by Laine. Avs going on the power play. Nieto to Andrighetto. And he scores!
Wide of the net. Oh, man. Wide open net for Jonathan Marchessault. So the Avs trying to catch it the other way. Nieto shot. Save made by Schubert. Rebound. They score.
Rantanen, Soderberg on the puck. Rantanen takes a nice pack from Nieto. Soderberg clutch. Watch him clear out the front of the net. Watch Soderberg right here. Comes across. Takes a man off the defenseman. Can't get to Rantanen.
Left wing winding in. Centering pass broken up. And Ian Cole may have a breakaway. Here he comes. His second opportunity. He shoots in a save by Smith. Shot. Score! Matt Nieto. His second shorthanded goal of the season.
Forced the turnover, and now they go to work. And I think Matt Nieto is going to end up getting this. There's Nieto there. It ricocheted off him, then off the goaltender Jones. And I think Nieto has tied the game.
And Joe and Chris, how about the kids in the back end? That Sammy Girard that shot the puck, but he got the relay from Cale Makar. They were overplaying it.